हेलो नमस्कार हजुर संजय साहब
क्लियर कर देते ना तो मैं आप मुझे 5 बोलता हूँ 5
हाम्रो यो के अरे डिपेन्ड अफ ट्रोलिङ सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ नाइस थियो
आसाम को थोड़ा सा कर लेंगे मोडल बनते
अहिले चाहिँ के भइरहेको छ
अहिले प्लेनरी सेसन हो
ए
तपाईँको प्रेजेन्टेसन हो
मेरो प्रेजेन्टेसन छैन
ए
म त त्यो सर्टिफिकेट
Aging so fast. Well, Japan, 30% population is 65 plus. In Thailand itself, 23% is already there, and they are expecting in by 10 years it will be increasing. Japan is almost 45% in 10 years time. So young people are not there. Now, who will be going to work for that? Who is going to work in the industry? Who is going to the growing? So we need to think of not only that. Now in Thailand, they have started thinking. The government has made a strategy. Every big enterprises to make a food product which is nutritionally enhanced and specifically for the aging people to think of. Okay, because the billions of baht, billions of dollars is invested for that, which is giving the problems with those aging societies. So food has to be now switched. Food has to be developed such a way that you give for the aging people. So that's number one. Okay, our lifestyle has been changing. We are too much focused on the food. Being a food scientist, I never say junk food, and that should not be told. But what antimicrobial, but you take the hormones, how much you have been using in the food, other chemicals have been used in the food is a challenge, right? If you go back again 100 years back, we were more healthier. That's the perception. And how can we go back? It's more challenges. Okay, antimicrobial resistance, yes, and that's why I put in the probiotic. Could be. So these are the challenges what we have. Now we need to think of the solutions. Okay, and my solution for today's, because we all are here, biotechnology backgrounds. Okay, further I will not take too much on this part. Sorry for slides, a little bit light problem. But I put like challenges to the young people or innovators or scientists as well as industry to think of for how we make sustainable of our society, farming systems, industries, as well as ourselves. Better nutritious food, and then all those things only possible if you think on innovations. Now innovation is not like you have to do ages of doing research and development, a lot of research and development. We need to think like our nature is like how our neighbor is earning a lot of money by making yogurt. We also go the same thing. That's not the innovation of the entrepreneurship now. Entrepreneurship has to be change the mind to bring some injection of the innovation, and that can give.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Somebody take it.
Thank you for your kind introduction, and thank you organizer inviting me.
So about the study. So I've taken the study on vermicompost. Objectives of my study: a collection and identification of native earthworm species of Kodaikanal. Next, preparation of vermicompost from agro waste, vegetable waste, cattle dung,
and several in international conference. Let me invite Dr. Anil Kumar Anil on the stage. So let's welcome him with a big round of applause. Moving ahead, I would like to invite on the stage Dr. Basudeo Jambari to be seated as one of the panelists. He is the convener of the program and he is also the owner of 3 companies: Om Biotechnologies, Village Naturals LLP, Estetica Eco Research Private Limited, and he is also the UCM Fellow in University of Technology Malaysia. And he has published about 200 articles, which includes patents, research papers, books, nucleotide sequence, and many more. And he has citation of 2,125, citation index that is 20, and cumulative impact factor 105. Let's welcome him with a big round of applause. Now I would like to invite Mr. Govindaraj Pokhrel as a panelist. He is the Vice Chairperson of National Planning Commission of Nepal. He has over 10 years of direct management experience as an Executive Director of various government institutions, NGOs, and 20 years of experience in academic field. He had served for 3 years as a manager at SNB Netherlands, development organization based in various locations in South Asia. He was the professor at the Industrial and Mechanical Engineering Department, Institute of Engineering TU, Nepal. He has authored and co-authored numerous research papers on sustainable energy, climate change, policy and technical aspects of renewable energy technologies and financing. So let's welcome Mr. Govindaraj Pokhrel with a big round of applause. Now I would like to invite the next panelist for this panel discussion, Mr. Ajay Bahadur Pradhananga. He is also known as Green Entrepreneur and he is the co-founder of Himalayan Climate Initiative. Mr. Ajay is committed to convert his business into a world-class venture in herbal line of products and help others in Nepal emulate his example. He plays active role in several business affinity groups like Nepalese Young Entrepreneurs Forum and Federation of Nepalese Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So let's welcome Mr. Ajay Bahadur Pradhananga on the stage. Now I would like to invite the next panelist, Mr. Anurup Manandar, on the stage. He is the chairperson at Ficus Biotech Private Limited and he has done his master's in arts from Columbia University and Bachelor of Technology from Kathmandu University. He has started a Biotechnology magazine and published 2 issues, Prarambha and Yatra, and he is the member of Kathmandu University Biotechnology Creatives. So let's welcome him. Now I would like to invite Mr. Govinda Raj Pokhrel, the media personality, on the stage as a panelist of this panel discussion. Now I would like to invite the moderator of the panel discussion, Dr. Razo Adhikari from Australia, and he is the principal scientist in Australia, associate professor at RMIT University, and he is the honorable fellow CSIRO Manufacturing. His field of interest is design of polymers, biomaterials for medical, agriculture, OLED, and food application, and he is the co-inventor of Elasti-Ion, Novozor, transpiration, and platform technologies. So Now I would like to hand over this mic to the moderator of this panel discussion, Mr. Razu Adhikari.
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all must be tired after two and a half days of grueling sessions continuously, and after a heavy lunch today.
Force in improving the quality of people in the 21st century. Obviously, biotechnology is intimately tied to science and scientific knowledge. I will argue that biotechnology is also closely tied to ethics. At the very least, biotechnology promotes a certain vision of life, one in which some things are viewed as good and to be encouraged to pursue, and other things are bad and should be avoided or eliminated. I think during COVID-19, there is also an issue of ethics. So whether we can use the dosage, even though there is no proper investigation has been done. So is it?
He was in the academy, but now after the retirement, he is highly engaged into the industries, and that also again R&D based industries. So you can see a very few examples of such people who started their career with academics, but they again after retirement they take a new